This bomb has 3 layered... shoot. Hey, I'm Jasper, and today we're going to be making Guardian of the Forest Bath Bomb. Compounding will be Jimmy. Guardian of the Forest is an earthy, woody bath bomb which will make you feel like you've stumbled upon a sunlit forest clearing. This bomb has 3 colored layers, and the essential oils are intended to energize and refresh. First, Jimmy must prepare the various colored mixes. He adds bicarbonate of soda to the mixer and then adds each mix's colors and oils. We add rosewood oil, cypress oil, line oil, and oak moss to recreate the forest scent. Plastic-free luster is added for an extra special shimmery bath. Once all the mixes are completed, it's over to the pressing tables. We create a hidden yellow layer in the middle by pressing out a separate shape. Then, our production assistants use the various colors to create the signature outer layer, and the yellow shape is added into the middle. Then, it's off to be packed and ready for your next forest bath escape.
That's how we make Guardian of the Forest bath bombs.
Comment below and let us know what you guys want to see next. Thanks for watching.